Family, it is literally products over talent. Let me explain. Once you get your talent of learning how to weld, learning how to fabricate, learning how to install all the way above, you can only reach a certain level with your talent. You can only get to a certain level. But once you start using your talent to build products, things you can sell online, things you can sell and install, things you can put on a store or shelf, that's when the thing will change for you. But we can't get to products without the talent. So we love to say it's products over talent because as you wake up and you want to get some financial freedom and you want to get your independence established, you have to realize you got to use your talents, your hands, to build products. And once you do that, then you start experiencing some financial freedom. But you got to get started somewhere, fam. There is no such thing as reinventing the wheel. It's been rolling for a while. So learn a trade. It doesn't have to be welding, but learn something where you can apply to your life and you can start building products for your family. Something that can outlive you. You can only work so many hours in a day. You can only put so much work in through the week. So if you can build something that you can put on the shelf and you can sell, you can get more of your time back. You can start buying your time back and building your independence. And this is what my channel is based on. I'm going to teach you how to build, but I also want to teach you how to build products because products is going to take us to that next level. It's going to get our finances right. It's going to help us spend more time with our family, give us the opportunity to travel, see more things, and build more meaningful relationships that can get us over the hump. So this Rise fam, October the 18th, I just want to give you a live public announcement and say it's products over talent. Use what you got. We both got the same 24 hours. Use your 20 hours, 24 hours to get your heart. I'm out.